How to make $10,000 a month online, even if you have $0. Look, if you've got $0 in your bank account, but you've got Wi-Fi and a brain, you can start today. I'm going to show you the business model that changed my life. And no, you don't need to invest tons of money upfront to buy inventory or ads. You also don't need to be famous or to do some stupid TikTok dances, I promise you. This is exactly how regular people are making $10,000 a month online in 2025 without risking a single dollar. That's exactly what I've done. I'm talking about digital products, coaching, or services. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business selling digital products. I've only really had to work a few hours a day once I mastered this system, and I've also been able to travel the world. Before you call me a spoiled rich kid or some bullshit, I come from the low middle class. My dad was a nurse and my mom a nursing assistant. Look, the truth is most people overcomplicate making money online. You don't need to invent a revolutionary new app, create a dropshipping store, or hope for a viral video. There are only 3 ways to make money online. 1. Sell a product, physical or digital. 2. Sell a service. 3. Sell information or transformation. The fastest path is by far selling information or skills, not physical products. Because with physical products, you need tons of upfront capital, and you also have to deal with inventory and shipping. With info, on the other hand, you can start your business with as little as $0 in the bank. I'm not joking. Around 2021, 2022, after trying the dropshipping craze and losing tons of time and money, I decided to get into the service, coaching, and info product business. Now, why did I pick this instead of any other model like affiliate marketing, print on demand, or even software? Because I knew profit margins were extremely high, on average between 90 to 98%. As I'm recording this video, I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit. Some days it's been $1,000, other days it's been $2,600, and some days it's been a little bit less. Most businesses would be lucky to keep 20% in profit, but on average, I get to keep 96%. This is huge. I challenge you to find another business model with insanely high profit margins like that, because I can guarantee you won't find one. Look, I grew up in the low middle class. I watched my mother work 12-hour night shifts as a nursing assistant, and my father being treated like a pawn at work, like he was disposable. And somehow, we were still one emergency away from financial disaster. I watched them sacrifice everything, miss family dinners, work holidays for close to a decade, destroy their bodies and mental health, and for what? To barely stay afloat. I felt frustrated as hell all of my life growing up, and that frustration wasn't just about having less than the other kids at school. It was realizing that hard work doesn't guarantee anything. My parents did everything right, everything they were told, and they still weren't rich. I saw the exhaustion in their eyes, the stress over every unexpected expense, and everything told me this is just how life is supposed to be for you. It's supposed to suck. But that anger, that burning frustration of watching the people you love work themselves to the bone for crumbs, well, that, my friend, that was what lit a fire in me. Because I fucking refused to accept that trading time for money and hoping for the best was the only path forward. Retiring when you're fucking old, too exhausted to do anything, and the government will pay you 1 to 3K a month to thank you for your loyal years of service. I knew there had to be a different way, and I was determined to find it. Here's what makes digital products the perfect way to make money online, especially for beginners. You can build this with literally $0 in your pocket. There's no upfront cost because the knowledge, the info, becomes the product you're selling. You're not dealing with inventory sitting in a warehouse that you have to pay thousands of dollars to buy in the first place. You're not paying for shipping, and you're not risking capital on physical goods that might never sell. What you do is offer a simple transformation to people who need it. Maybe you help someone lose weight, or you teach them a skill that they've been struggling with, or you show them how to grow their business if you've done this before, or you help them to fix their mindset, repair their relationship, study better, get their dream job. It can be anything. The thing is, people aren't paying you for information anymore because information is basically free now. They can Google anything, watch endless YouTube tutorials, find it all for nothing. What they're actually paying for is someone who can cut through that noise and get them to the results faster. They're paying for clarity, for a structured path, for accountability. That's the real value. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let me show you the $10,000 a month math, because once you see this, you'll realize it's not some impossible goal. You don't need a million views or a huge following. All you need is 5 clients at $2,000 each. That equals $10,000. 10 clients at $1,000 each equals $10,000. 50 course sales at $200 each equals $10,000. Focus on high value offers that can sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars, not low ticket noise unless you have a big following. And I can tell you that one solid offer beats 10 random hustles every single time. Let me break down the exact blueprint for making money online with 95% profit margins. Step 1 is picking a profitable problem to solve. You need to focus on one of the big 5 areas where people are actively and desperately looking for solutions: health, wealth, relationships, mindsets, or skills. Pick one and go deep. Step 2 is defining your specific offer. You need to know exactly what outcome you're delivering, and it can't be some vague promise. It has to be concrete and measurable. You say, I'll help you lose 20 pounds in 60 days, not I'll help you get healthier. Do you see the difference? One is actionable, the other is just a bunch of words. Step 3 is building your audience through free content. You can go short form or long form or even both. That's the best of both worlds. But here's the key. Pick one platform and show up consistently on it. Post daily content. This is where you demonstrate you know what you're talking about and naturally attract the people who need what you're offering. You're literally getting customers for free. Before social media, businesses pretty much always had to pay to get clients, aside from referrals and foot traffic for local businesses. But social media has changed the business game forever. Step 4 is actively starting conversations. You're sliding into DMs, sending emails, getting on calls. You're not sitting back, waiting for people to discover you. You're reaching out and building real relationships with potential clients. Step 5 is selling through genuine value. You give away free value first, then you invite people into your paid solution. You're legitimately helping people for free, and then offering a deeper transformation for those who want to go further with you. Step 6 is fulfilling results, collecting testimonials, and scaling up. Every single client you help becomes living proof that your system actually works, and that proof makes every future sale easier and easier. You don't need capital to start an online business. What you need is the willingness to go above and beyond and to stay consistent. Everything you actually need is completely free. You've got Canva for design work, Notion or Google Docs for planning, organizing, writing content scripts, etc. Stripe and PayPal for processing payments, ChatGPT for writing content and building systems, and social media platforms for getting free traffic and free customers. So what the fuck is your excuse? You can literally build a real business with zero upfront cost. Your only investment is your time and your energy. Let me show you how simple the automation actually is. Your funnel is very straightforward. You've got content that leads people to a free offer, which leads to a free call, which leads to a high ticket sale. That's it. There's like 4 steps in total. If you want to discover how we've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's why this beats every other model. Dropshipping requires high startup cost. It gives you 10 to 20% profit margins, sometimes 5% margins, and it's very slow to see results. Amazon FBA requires high startup costs too. It gives you 20 to 30% margins and it's slow as fuck. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it's low cost, which is nice, but you get 10 to 30% margins and you're doing the hardest job, gaining attention and selling, which beginners typically have no fucking clue how to do. Instead, if you made your own product, you'd keep up to 98% profit, so don't be fucking lazy. Digital products, coaching and services give you something most businesses can't touch. You're looking at 0 to low startup costs, profit margins between 80 and 98%, fast results, and complete control over everything. There are no middlemen taking a cut, no shipping logistics to manage, no suppliers to deal with, And if you start with organic content, you don't even need to pay for ads. You own the brand, you own the product, and you own the relationship with your customers. The only thing standing between you and $10,000 a month is developing the right skills and showing up every single day, posting content every single day. You need to focus on selling a transformation, not just a product. This is the secret weapon of very successful salespeople. You're not just selling information to people, you're selling them a specific result they're desperate for. People don't pay for ebooks or video lessons. They pay for the opportunity to become someone different, someone better. You need to focus on who your client becomes after working with you. That's how you justify charging premium prices and build a real long-term authority in the space. When someone hires you, they're not actually buying your course or your coaching calls. They're buying the version of themselves that already has the results they want. They're buying the person who's already lost the weight, who's already making the money, who's already found the relationship, who's already built the business. That's the real product you're selling. Once you truly understand that, pricing becomes so much easier. Because how much is it actually worth to become that person? Usually, a lot more than you're charging. Now, here's how you scale. Once you hit that $10,000 a month milestone, you take your one-on-one coaching and turn it into a group program or a course. You leverage testimonials from your clients to create undeniable social proof. You add automations into your systems with email sequences, content systems, and lead magnets that work even while you sleep. You build a personal brand where your name itself becomes the business and everything you touch will turn into gold. This is exactly how you go from 10K a month to 30K a month and then way beyond that. You can get to 9 figures with this. Look, the path to $10,000 a month is actually pretty straightforward. You pick a problem people will pay to solve, you build an offer around solving it, you get clients and you deliver results. Then you scale with systems. But simple doesn't always mean easy, and you need to understand that. You're going to have to do things that make you uncomfortable. You're going to reach out to complete strangers. You're going to get on sales calls where your heart is pounding. For the funny anecdote, the first time I ever did a sales call, my heart was pounding so fucking fast, I genuinely thought I was about to have a heart attack. So you're going to put yourself out there and risk looking stupid, yeah. You're going to deal with rejection over and over again. That's the real price of building something that actually matters. But here's the thing. The alternative is staying broke and stuck. And that's way more uncomfortable in the long run, believe me. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.